Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean, and this is our another video report for Tuesday, July 5th, 2016. I'm getting this out about 20 minutes early just because nothing has really changed as far as my overall view, and also that I have to run to the vets at 4 o'clock. So anyway, I still believe this pattern is very much in play right now. And if that is the case, then we still should have some work to the downside. But the bulls, like we said, they want to close every gap before any big move down. So we have to leave the door open that maybe they're going to come back up to this level first before making the drop down here. And that could be done, tomorrow. It's not, these moves are just very quick right here, but it's not a guarantee. It's just something to show that there is a gap now. So there's maybe a magnet at some point, but that may get filled after we already come down to these levels here. So it's kind of up in the air because we're still very overbought on the SMI. We have some bearish divergences, but not really a great bearish divergence on the momentum that I have here, because you can see the top pretty much lines up with the top here. So but if you look at the MACD here, we did have some bearish divergences, so this little pullback makes sense. Now this was the support line. This is what the bears needed to push through. The bulls defended that right now. And so, like I said, right now we're looking at the bears are going to have to defend the 2095 and then the 2101. If they do that, then I still believe the target is going to be coming someplace down into the 2040, 2035 level. Now, the 15-minute chart, you can see we had the bearish divergences on the way up. We still have these two open gaps, but now we have one open gap up here. And where it dropped, where it found support at that 2081, this typically could be some type of wave 4, so that would open up the door that we come back up and at least close this gap or test these highs to make a failed fifth or whatever you want to do it. But again, it's not certain, and I still believe that this move down is coming bare minimum 2064, more likely down to the 2050 or even the 2036 level. But they may have to come up here first before going down. So there's not really I would say a concrete plan as far as which way they're going to take this market short term. I still believe if you have a little bit of a longer outlook, say for the next week or so, the bigger point move is going to be to the downside, and that may even we may have the bigger point move that started already to the downside. So it's one of those things that I wouldn't go crazy, doubling down or anything on shorts, for the one reason that we do have some bullish divergences on the 15-minute chart. We burned off the overbought levels, and right now, you give it a little relief and say, okay, we're going to allow it to come someplace up into the 2095, 2101, and then you use that to short. And then if it goes down and we take out these lows, then you know that it's coming down to the 2064, 2050, or even the 2036. So I would be, a little bit open-minded short term, because they may come up, but overall you want to expect that the market's going to be heading down. So with that, have a great night, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.